welcome to the channel Tree Lover. So we are again back with you, bringing a new video for you, and the topic of today is invalid click activity. So if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel. If you are having any problem regarding monetization, reuse content, then you can just go to the channel and look the videos. And if you have any confusion regarding this topic, then you can just contact me through the Instagram also. So in this topic we will talk about the invalid click activity. So today I'll tell you what is invalid activity, how can we solve this, how can we fix this, how can we save our channel from invalid click activity. So for that, let's move in the content over here. Okay, as you see over here, there is a step 2 error in your channel. Okay, you have no fix button over there, and the monetize channel you are having was disabled. Okay, you are not able to earn more in your channel from today because you have received a mail over there and it has written that your AdSense account has been disabled. So it was due to invalid click activity. So what is this and why are you facing this problem? We'll talk about this in this video. Okay, so look, what is invalid activity? So invalid click activities consist of any click or impression that may artificially inflate an advertisement cost or publisher earning. It means that it is the click that if you are using your channel's videos over there in your own IP over there, and thus you started to clicking your own ads in your videos. Okay, these make the advertiser or the publisher with no use. So the advertisement they are giving payment, they are taken by us with a invalid click. So we are just making an attempt to claim our money only from that. So because of that problem, invalid click activities was on your channel. Okay, if you click your own ad by yourself, or another method also is there, if you are not using that but someone in your channel just they click your ads over there. So for example, I am sitting in your over here and I play your video. So in your video I have received a 4 ad, so I click the 4 ad by myself here continuously. So this problem also cause an invalid click activities over here. So there are many problems which you have created for. It may be caused by click per rate, CPR, so click per rate. So many things are in the invalid click activities. Okay, so how can I get invalid activity? So there are a lot of invalid click activity site over there. Either you may get from YouTube, either you may get from AdSense, or from the website over here. Okay, so these all things are just done if you click with your own ad. So as compared to Admob and site, YouTube has a secure. If a person try to click your ad continuously, then the YouTube automatically block your ad over here. So if you are using the next mobile and just you click your own ad, then you will get the invalid click activity over there. So if you are linking the YouTube, Admob and site just in a one AdSense account, then you are doing wrong. If one will be disabled, then the whole earning from the 3 sites are gone. So never try to connect the 3 things with the same AdSense. So now the main topic is there any fix? So here I have written yes and no. So because the solution of it is like this. So it has only one solution, and that one solution is appealing the form over there. And if you fill up the form and you just have to wait 24 hours for their response. And one thing you should do is that you should not fill the next form in that period. Okay, you have to just wait for 72 hours until they will reply for you. Okay, and this will have only 2% chance. It means that there is a very low chance to get your AdSense back. So if you are wasting your time in YouTube for searching the video to fix this error, then friends, you are just wasting your time. So I suggest you to give the time for the new videos, for a new channel growth, so you will get success rather than fixing this error. So we'll talk about that. Another question, is this permanent ban? So no, this is not permanent ban, because sometimes they may give you back after 1 year, 2 year, a month also, or 6 months also. There is no fixed, because as they think that you will able to earn the money, then they will give you back. So this cannot be this can be returned or may not be, so that you cannot decide this thing, they will just decide for you. So what can you do is you can just wait for the next thing, okay, where they will give. You can just wait for it or move for the next one. What do I do next? So now my AdSense is disabled, so I'm not able to earn the money. Then what do I do? Then I suggest you just create a new channel, because you cannot just disconnect the AdSense until it is active. It means that your AdSense is disabled and you cannot disconnect the disabled AdSense from your YouTube channel. So it means that your channel and AdSense are gone over there until and unless the AdSense is active over here. Okay, so you can upload your video to the channel, you can grow the audience over there, you can do anything, but one only thing that you cannot do is you cannot earn from the YouTube policy. So next question is, can I apply next AdSense from same IP? So I have received this question from the many of the people over here. So in this video I want to tell you that no, you cannot apply the AdSense from the same IP. Okay, if you try to apply the AdSense with the same name and same information that you previously you have been disabled, then you will be directly blocked over there. Okay, but if you have and you have got a next AdSense account, then you can use that next AdSense account over there, but that AdSense account should be in the name of other people. So you can change the address over there or anything over there. Okay, so you can just apply the next AdSense with your family members or friend detail. So while applying to the AdSense over here, I always suggest you to use the new router, new IP, it means new IP, and your device also. So next thing is, can I use in the same IP? So many people have another question also. So my AdSense has been disabled, so I have another AdSense also. Can I use that AdSense in same IP? Yes, you can use that IP in your same IP over there. So until and unless you will be careful to your AdSense, and if you get approved, if you have the approved AdSense before, then you can use that AdSense in your same IP. So this will not get detected, because the Google team will think that this AdSense is of others person, so you will not get banned over here. Okay, now next question is, how can I save invalid click? So many of the people are asking me. So many creators are having some same problem, but I am not having the problem, but in future I may have the problem. So what is the solution to save my invalid click activity? So I suggest you, if you are having the traffic of less than 200 in your channel, okay, and your channel has been monetized, so you should not own your traffic over there. It means that you should not turn on your monetization for there. So you should not display the ad in your videos, because if you open the ad on that videos, then channel may have risks in the invalid click activity because of low traffic. Because if you have got 200 view and 200 view 150 just click in your ad, then you will might get problem over there. Okay, so because of that increase in the CPR. So that CPR is click per rate. So how many rate click are coming to your ad in the video. So you should be careful about that. Check for the AdSense about the traffic transfer. So you have to check that CPR and your traffic, where they are coming from daily in your YouTube studio or AdSense part. So you have to just check the AdSense, and you have to turn off the monetization if you are receiving 200 view daily. Okay, so next is, if you have any question regarding this, if you have any problem regarding this, then if you need any support, then I am available in the tlover2054 in Instagram over there, and WhatsApp, there is a number over here, you can contact me from that. So if you have any queries about the AdSense and solution regarding this, then you can contact me. And thank you for your support. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.